Hey there! Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to update the details on an item using the detail view. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your account and have the item you want to update in front of you. Head over to your dashboard and find the item you like to modify. Once you've located it, click on it to open the detail view. Here you will see all the existing information about your item, such as its title, description, and any additional details. To update any of these, simply click on the respective field and make the necessary changes. Let's say you want to change the title of your item. Just click on the title field, delete the old title, and type in the new one. Once you're done editing, don't forget to review your changes to ensure everything looks perfect. Take a moment to double check spelling, grammar, and any other details you've updated. If you're satisfied with the modifications, simply click the Save or Update button. That's it. Your item's details have been successfully updated. Remember, keeping your item's information up to date is crucial for accurate representation and successful interactions with potential buyers or viewers. And there you have it. Updating details on an item using the detail view is a breeze. Now you can effortlessly make changes whenever needed. If you liked today's video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel at Tech with Just Jingle Tingle for more useful tutorials. Until next time, happy updating!